Yo guys, welcome back to Pokemon India Official. We are back guys with a new video, and it's a huge news from the Niantic CEO. Yes guys, and what are the promises they have made, and there are the things which have been changed in the Pokemon Go guys. So we'll cover all this thing in the today's video guys. But before that, if you are still not participated in the meet up and a giveaway guys, go right now, links are down in the description. Go to the Facebook event and just click that you are going, and then just comment that you are coming, and that's it. Then you will get a chance to win a giveaway guys, and it's a gift card giveaway guys, so please go and do that. So guys, so now let's get into the video guys. So guys, the today's video will be, there are like things which are going to come in this year from the Niantic, and there are the things which have been already came into the game, and let me tell you each and everything of that guys. So first of all, what are the things which have been came into the game guys? Yes, the spawns guys. Yes, the day and night spawns have been changed, as in all the Pokemon games the day and night spawns have been there, and it is also there in now in the Pokemon Go guys. Yes, meanwhile the day and night spawns are very, the day you will get like tons of normal Pokemons, fairy type Pokemons, and etc Pokemons, like n types of things. But in the night guys, the spawn rates of the dark type, ghost type, and another like the dark Pokemons and the ghost Pokemons will be increased than that of the normal Pokemon. So these are the changes like from the day and the night spawns. The day you will get like, for example, the Pokemon such as a normal type Aipom, Natu, and everything. And in the night time you will get the Pokemon such as Macro, Ghastly, etc, like a dog or ghost Pokemon guys. So these are the changes have been done in the game. And guys, there are also the things which have changed, like the shinies are available, been said by the Pokemon Hub, by the like data mining of the new update which is just gave, or which just came into the Pokemon Go. The update is 0.57.3 guys. So the the shinies are available in the game, and it's very hard to find shinies, as you are finding like festival hat Pikachus guys. Yes, it's damn hard to find them. I just caught one, and that is also of 10 CP guys. Even the shinies will be like that only, and it will be like more harder to catch, like it will be more rarer than the festival Pikachu. So you can know that thing guys, it's very rare stuff. So now what are the things which will be coming in the Pokemon Go this year guys? It will be a huge things which will be coming, and it's not clear yet, but the things which are coming, it's been promised by the CEO of the Niantic guys. So let's go to that article, and let me tell you each and everything about that article guys. Let's go over there. So yes guys, it's again the Pokemon Hub which is giving the huge and updates and the news about the Pokemon Go, and it was like 100% sure about this website. It's giving a legit news and everything about the Pokemon Go. Even in the past he just told that Generation 2 is coming, and it was legit, and it came into the game. So what are the things which the Niantic has been said right now on the in the game guys? So first of all, the CEO of the Niantic have went to the conference, the gaming conference something in few days, and he just promised about the new things which are been going to come into the Pokemon Go guys this year. So what are the things are written over here guys? First of all, the John Ankit, the CEO of Niantic, shared some exciting news about the Pokemon Go on the Mobile World Conference 2017 guys. Yes, and in the session the contained the panel which is the biggest stakers and all this stuff, it's written over here. Link is down in the description of this article also guys. You can go and you can check out over there guys. And the main thing is over here that given recent removal of trading code from the app, it leaves us the only solid guess that, and the mainly the John has been said that there will be a 3 updates will be going to come this year, and that 3 update will be a huge update which will be coming in this year guys. And out of 3, the first one was the Generation 2 guys. So now I think so there are like 2 updates remaining of the Pokemon Go this year, which will be a huge thing. It can be a Generation 3 Pokemon, or it can be a trading and battling when player versus player guys. So what do you think about it? Just comment in the comment section below. I think so it will be a trading and a battling player versus player, because like releasing the Generation 3 is waste because there are no legendaries yet in the game of generation 1 and 2 guys. So if they are releasing generation 3, so it will be a waste guys. So I think should be a trading and a player versus player guys. So it's written over here that we have already discussed in the depth the future of the Pokemon Go and its statement that the resonance that we were not far off. So they are saying that the updates which are coming, that it will be not that much late and it will be within this year only guys. And in the past, likely the following stands. One of the major update could be land during the July, yes, the launch anniversary. As you guys know, the Pokemon Go has been launched in the July guys. So on the anniversary, the next huge update will be going to come guys. Yes, even you know that the Pokemon Go launched in the July. So the next huge update will be coming on the July. So what do you think about it guys? What will be the update? It will be a trading, or it will be a generation 3, or it will be a player versus player. And second major update could land during the September. So the first thing is like will come into the July, and the second thing will become like in September. And holiday season filled with events. So the 3 updates will be like this. First will be on July, second will be on September, and third will be on the New Year. So I don't think so the New Year will be count, and the second major update will shift to November or something, because guys the huge update which has been came is generation 2 is live in the game, and it is like released in the February, and they have said that there will be surely huge updates in the game between like 3 months, like every 3 months of the year you will get a update. So they have released or they have updated, or they have given the generation 2 in the February. So after 3 years there will be, after 3 months, sorry guys, after 3 months there will be a huge update. So there will be update now in July for sure, because the annual anniversary of the Pokemon Go guys. So there will be a huge update on that day. Then after that there will be update like on November or the October guys. What do you think about it? Just comment into the comment section below guys. And yes, legendary birds could be in the work guys. So now the article is like really saying you that what will be the update, and they are guessing it. So what do you think about it guys? Just comment. So what do you think about it guys? Just comment into the comment section below that what will be the 3 updates, out of which one has been done, generation 2. So now what will be the 2 more update, huge update into the game this year guys? I think so it will be a trading or a player versus player. What do you think? It will be a generation 3 or something? Just comment into the comment section below guys. Or it will be a legendary guys coming into the games. So what do you think about it guys? Just comment into the comment section below. And the day and night spawns guys. And yes guys, the double experience event is not yet started. I don't know why they are not giving it. The Niantic owner have been said that save your candies and everything, there will be a double experience event coming into the game, and they within this month, and the month has been over like the February. So now there are like 6 days remaining for this event guys. So let's see it will be coming into the game or not guys, and let's see what other things will be coming in the game in this year also guys. So that's it guys for today's video, and it's a very informative video guys, all just for you. And guess your updates guys, comment down below. So that's it guys for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed this, hit that like button guys, like, subscribe, and peace guys. See ya.